Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I have George with me today. We're down in Bradenton, Florida. We're at Bradenton Motorsport Park. Look at this. You know what that is? Going from Indiana to Florida, no sunscreen. But hey, listen. So we have the 18 Mustang Whipple car with us right here. It's Project Blue Balls. It's a stage 2 kit. Actually, I'm gonna make a pass and we're gonna see what it runs, and then we'll come back. I'll tell you everything on this car right here. Hey, but I have one mod you might not have seen in the last video. Check it out. I've got my Beastie Boys sticker. Favorite music in the world right there. All right, I'm gonna get right to this. I'm gonna go up the staging lanes. I'm gonna make a pass. We'll put a camera inside the car, and then we'll have one outside the car. We'll see what it runs. We'll come back and we'll check it out. Check this out. I really couldn't be more pleased with this. Seriously, first pass down the track. 1055 at 132 with a 164 60 foot. George, why don't you zoom in on that for him to look at when I get out of here? I'm sweating, it's so hot. So it looks good. 164 60 foot and a 1055 at 132. That's bitchin'. So let's go back to what this car is right here. It's a 2018 bone stock automatic Mustang. It's got a Whipple Stage 2 kit on it. I'll leave a link in the description so you can see what that is. I'm running a 3.75 pulley. I am running unleaded race fuel for protection. Better safe than sorry. And I did install an aluminum drive shaft as well as a drive shaft loop. For safety, you need to have that when you're running these wheels and tires. So look at this. I do have the Race Star wheels. Saw that in the last video. They're working really good with some Mickey Thompsons on the back and the car dead hooked. So I'm pretty pumped about that. You know, back in my Fox Body days, when you were trying to make your car run 10's, you did like every mod you could to it. It didn't drive very good, and it definitely didn't get gas mileage. And this car drives sick down the street. So I'll definitely do a video for you of like how it drives on the street. But literally, our stage 2 kit, some sticky tires, automatic, and the DA is probably about a little over 2,000 feet here today. As you saw from my skin, I'm a little sunburnt, it's warm, I'm sweating, but the car ran awesome, 1050s, I have no problem with that. So, I'm Brent from Brenspeed, thank you for watching. If you want something like this installed, don't forget, you can email quote@brenspeed.com. We'll tell you how much it costs to get put in, or you can get free shipping on brenspeed.com. You can call us 574-594-9559. Killer car, I love it. Really good day today. I'm looking forward to this weekend, taking this car on the track all weekend and super comfortable drive. Hope you like those videos. Subscribe, hit notify. Thanks for watching.